Hello everybody, welcome back to another Rockabilly guitar lesson. Because I'm still working on a new course which is called Classic Country Solo Concepts for Guitar, I won't have a new live Rockabilly guitar lesson today, but I have one from the archives, taken from my course Learn Travis Picking from Scratch. So here's some must-know Rockabilly guitar licks in the Travis Picking style. And if you haven't done yet, you can check out all my video courses on Udemy. I even have one for the piano. The links are in the description below. And until the end of June, you can pick them up all for $12.99 each. So check them out, and I'm pretty sure you will find something that you like. But right now here on YouTube, I give you some Travis Picking Rockabilly guitar licks. Hope you enjoy them. Our second Rockabilly lick is also played over 4 bars of E and goes like this. So you start with an open E string and then you put your pinky onto the E string, the high E string. And then you pick the open B just before you get down to the D string with your thumb. Yeah? And in the second bar, you start with the 2 open E strings, and then you pick the B string and your pinky is on the 3rd fret of the B string. Yeah? Open E, low E string, and then again the B string with your pinky on the 3rd fret. And then at the end you just play the G string. Yeah? This is the last note in the second bar. So here are the first 2 bars, slowly. And in the 3rd bar, again you're starting with an open E string on the bass. Pinky goes onto the E string, 3rd fret. Then both E strings simultaneously. Pinky goes onto the B string and the D string. Yeah? And the last bar. This is just back and forth between open E string and the B string here on the 3rd fret. So here's the full lick again, slowly. The next lick is taken from Eddie Cochran's Heart of a Fool and goes like this. So once again you're starting with a low E string, then a high E string together with a D string, back to the low E string, and then you put your pinky into the 3rd fret and you slide to the 2nd fret, where you arrive when you pick the D string. Like this, yeah? And a little faster. Our next lick resembles the opening lick in Mystery Train. It goes like this. So here are 2 variations. The first one, you pick the open E and B string, then back to the low E string, and then what I do is I take my ring finger and put it flat onto the fretboard here, yeah? So it's like an A chord, really. Something like this. Huh? And the second option would be that you pick the B and the G string first. And and then the same motion with a ring finger. So you could play with a E and B string picked first, or you can do where you pick the B and the G string all the time. Or you can combine the two. Whatever you like.